So we're here today celebrating the groundbreaking of what will be 279 new affordable housing units with low and moderate income childcare on the ground floor, and we're right in front of the main Fairfax County Government Center. So today we're breaking ground on the conversion of a parking lot that was underutilized to housing and childcare.
This is just a tremendous day. My office is right back here in this building, and I have a front row view of what is happening out here and have seen the work already that is taking place. And so first, it is brave for anyone to do a development project on the grounds of the Government Center with all of us watching. But that bravery comes with a great reward, which is to be able to develop this piece of property into affordable housing for people for many, many decades to come by and see and to ask how that happened.
Here we are. We're right here in a former parking lot of the Government Center, adding another 279 units. And this is just truly remarkable. What makes us really successful is not just a single agency or a single funding or a single funding stream or a person, but it's everybody together. It's a team. Fairfax County, we enjoy support from all areas, from industry, finance, government, nonprofit, development.
And that's what will happen with this, because this is a real first. I'm not aware of anywhere else in Virginia, certainly, where a local government has decided to put affordable housing not around the corner, not in the back by the loading dock, but in the front yard, in the front of our government center, which I think speaks testaments to how we as a community feel about affordable housing.
From today, the timeline to finish this development, we expect it to be summer of 2027, when we'll be able to deliver these 279 units in community center.
I really think that the Government Center complex can be more than just government buildings and parking lots. I think this can be Fairfax County's next great place.
Think of the faces of the people who will be able to live here in the heart of Fairfax County, on the front lawn of the seat of government, because we are proud to live in a community that serves people of all income levels. Very proud.